Welcome to Tech Learners. In today's lesson, we will talk about some more problems on string. So let's talk about a problem to display vowels only in a string after converting it to lowercase. For example, if the input is computer, then the output should be like O, U, E, as these are the vowels in the given string computer. So it's a simple program. Let's talk about the logic of this program. First of all, we will input the string and store into a string variable. Then we will convert the string into lowercase. For that purpose, we can use two lowercase function that is available into the string class. Then we will be finding the length of the string with the help of the length function available into the length in the string class. Then we need to run the loop from I is equal to 0 to length minus 1. Inside the loop, we will be fetching each character of the string with the help of char at method, passing the index I. And we will store this character into ch. Now we need to check whether this ch is a vowel or not. This can be done with the help of comparison operator and OR operator. So we can check whether this character is A, or it is E, or it is I, or it is O, or U. If it is a vowel, then we will simply display the character and a space to look it better, and in this way we can get our desired output. So let's check the program and see how this problem can be solved with the help of the Java program. So in the Java program, we can say that we need to create a class, and we will be importing scanner so that we can accept the string from the user. By creating the object of the scanner class, we can accept the sentence from the user. So we will accept the sentence from the user with the help of the SC object and with the help of the next line method. Once we have accepted the sentence from the user, then we need to find out the length of that sentence. Now once we find out the length, we need to convert this into lowercase. So what we will be doing is, we will be converting the given string to lowercase using the lowercase method that is available into the string class. So now we have converted this string into lowercase with the help of this to lowercase method. Now we need to run the loop from I is equal to 0 till I is less than len. Inside the loop, we need to fetch each character of the string. So we will use char at method to fetch the character from the string one by one, and the character will be stored into the char variable ch. Now we will be checking whether this ch is a vowel or not. So we need to compare ch with A, with E, with I, O, or U. Remember, as we have already converted the string into lowercase, so we need to compare only lowercase vowels. Otherwise, we could have compared this with the capital vowels also. So if this is a vowel, then we need to print the character with a space. Remember, we will not add ln, print ln function. We will be using print function. Now let me compile this code for you and show you the output of this given program. So once we compile, you can see, let me give the input as computer, and we can see the vowels O, then this is U, and this is E. So we can get the desired output here as O, U, and E. I hope you have understood this program well. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.